How to use Walmart gift card online. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can use your Walmart gift card online. In order to use Walmart gift card online, all you have to do is make sure that you're logged into your Walmart account. In my case, I'm using a web browser, but then the procedure is going to remain the same if you're using an application as well. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, and here click the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. After that, it's going to take you to the other interface, and from here you need to go to account. After you click on account, here you'll be able to find all of these information, and under account you'll be able to see an option that says account. So click the arrow icon located right in the corner, and after that it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to click on gift card. So basically, to redeem your gift card, you'll need to provide in the following information, that is card number, pin, the gift card nickname, and click the save button. So whenever you're making a purchase, you'll be able to find an option to use a gift card. So after using a gift card, you might get certain amount of discount on the following product. So that's basically how you can use or redeem a gift card on Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.